Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you a quick tip on how to get great results using wallpaper seam repair. Got some wallpaper seamage that's coming apart, and what we want to do is we just want to use some of this seam sealer, get in there and fill it in and kind of glue her back down. I've learned that this wallpaper has been bent like this for a while. So what I do is I take hot water, hot as I can take, and a little sponge, and I'll moisten this with warm to hot water. You know, hot as you can stand, really. Gotta be careful, as it's going to take and start softening the wallpaper glue if you get too much in there. My goal here is to get the paper flexible again. It's been sitting here, it's been curled for Lord knows how many years, and so what I'm doing, I'm getting this, the warm water is getting the paper more flexible. I don't want any more water than I need. The goal here is I need adhesive. So I can put just a minor amount of the glue in my crack. And you have to get it all the way in the crack. I can get it on the surface, like as you see I'm doing here. So I'm going to use my finger to kind of coax this product back into that groove. So I'm wiping up the excess adhesive, kind of forcing it into the crack at the same time. So now I got the adhesive kind of in there under the paper. Kind of working it around a little bit, letting it touch all the surfaces. But I got glue on the surface that I got to get rid of. I'm just trying to make sure that I got the glue underneath the paper. Take my sponge, wrung real dry. I'm washing off any excess glue because I don't want to see the glue on the surface. We got a little roller. Don't have to have the roller, but we got a little roller here, a little wallpaper seam roller. See where I forced out some glue. Keep the roller clean. Wipe off the excess glue. See if we can coax this paper back down. The warm water is helping make the paper flexible because it's been curled so long it doesn't want to go back down. So I find that as I push real slowly, so I'm making it hold contact for a little bit, you can see that the paper is starting to finally adhere. This has been about 4 minutes time lapse since I started this, and so the whole purpose was to get the paper warm and flexible, which has worked, and now I'm just waiting for the adhesive to start to retain it. So we're slowly winning the battle here. A few more minutes into this project yet, and now the adhesive is starting to bond. So this is taking some patience. Quick tip how to do a wallpaper seam repair from MrHardware.com.